welcome back to today's unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium and our Boxy Luxe. So this is the first time I've ever received a Boxy Luxe, and I'm very excited because I have no idea what to expect. I've watched unboxings before and they just always look really amazing. So I finally decided to jump on the wagon. I got off the wait list. Normally I would have my regular base box also, but for some reason they all shipped out together, but they're all coming at different times. So these are the two boxes that I got so far. So we're going to do them together. So I'm filming this on Sunday. That box comes in tomorrow on Monday because I leave for vacation on Tuesday. Then the Boxycharm will be up as well. So we're going to split these videos because of that. So I apologize. Normally I would do them all together. You guys know the drill. We're going to go ahead and get diving into this. And yeah, I'm excited. Once you open it, it does say Boxycharm and Fenty. So the crazy part is that I knew that we were going to get Fenty stuff in this box, but I didn't know that it was all Fenty. I obviously didn't read the caption well. So now I'm like super excited because I don't have a lot of Fenty stuff. Like I've got a couple of her products, but not a bunch. This actually makes me super excited. So the first thing we have here is the card, which on the back side, they also do have all of the information, which I don't want to open, but the very first box I see is this here, which I knew we were getting, which is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Fenty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. All right, so here's the palette, and then once you open it up, grab that off of it, and then here are the shadows, which I do remember this palette. Let me go ahead and just swatch a few. I mean, I feel like these colors they're pretty colors. I don't know that I would use this palette alone. Definitely will say that the metallics in here are really soft and buttery. All right, so I was just doing some swatches, but I've got no room on my arm. So there are all the shadows. I decided to swatch them. They're kind of all over the place. I'm definitely gonna say that I've noticed that the metallics in here are really creamy and they're really buttery. Excited to play around with that palette though. Next thing I have is the Match Stick. This is a shimmering skin stick, and I got the shade Blonde. So I'll go ahead and open it, but I'm not a shimmering matchstick kind of a person, and I don't want to swatch it because I know for a fact I won't use this. This just isn't really my cup of tea, so I'm gonna put this to the side and probably throw it in a giveaway. I'm sure somebody would love to have that. Next up is the Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade, oh yes, oh my gosh, this is in Diamond Milk. I wanted this shade so bad. This is what it looks like. It's just like a clear gloss with a silver reflect to it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that's stunning. It took me a while to get on the Fenty Gloss Bomb action. Like I only had one, and that's like her first one that she launched. And I wasn't a big fan of it because maybe just the amount I put on, it seems like it can get really gloppy and it would get really thick. So I had to like play around with it until I figured out how I liked it. And then once I figured out how to play around with it, I feel like it was kind of a science to work with this gloss, but for me, I just had to play around with it a little bit, and now it's like one of my favorite glosses. So I'm super excited about it. I'm opening something and I don't even know what it is. This is the Fenty Beauty. They're all Fenty Beauty. I don't know why I keep saying that. This is the Mademoiselle Push Matte Lipstick. And I got the shade, oh, this is beautiful packaging. Look at that. This is in the shade Single. So there it is right there. That's really soft, by the way. I'm glad that they did something like this. Sometimes when they throw in lipsticks in here, I get kind of irritated because it's always like bright red or orange or something. So I'm glad it's like a neutral color. I have this Fenty by Rihanna Invisimatte Blotting Paper. Portable Anti-Shine Mattify on the Fly. Huh. So here it is. And then you just push that in and then pop that in. So that is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me a lot of their other packaging, like their matchsticks. And then you've got you got a little mirror right here on the side. So, I'm going to take this with me. I'm going to Vegas. So I think I'm actually going to take that with me because I do need blotting sheets. Last thing I have is the Kilowatt. This is the Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy Wife. So I'll go ahead and show this to you guys, but I actually bought this when this first came out. I bought this one, and I was not a fan. And I feel like I'm the only person that's going to say this, but I just did not care for this highlighter at all. I tried it so many different ways, and it just did not sell me at all. So I'll show it to you guys, but I'm definitely going to pass this on because I definitely think that there are a lot more other people that would love this way more. So I'm going to put this for a giveaway as well as the matchsticks. So yeah, there's two products that I obviously won't use, but still, I got the Gloss Bomb, the lipstick, and then the matchstick and the palette, all for $35. Like, holy shit. So let's see how my BOXYLUXE pairs up, shall we? So it says Boxycharm Luxe Kit on the bottom here in the corner. I'm trying to not show my shipping information, but right here in the bottom corner, there's a QR code, and it says BOXYLUXE Kit number 20. So I think that's the variation I got. So the first thing I have here is, it says Pretty Edgy, and then on the back is some information, which I'm not going to open. The first thing I have here is called the Invisibobble. These are the traceless hair rings. I've seen these before. These are super popular, and they come, there's a set of 3 that comes with it. I personally don't find these to hold as well as, like, let's say this, which is, yeah, this is huge, but this is what we use here in my house because my daughter has really long hair and I have, like, you know, long hair. But I actually like the idea of these. My daughter has a few of these and I like these for her hair. She's younger and she's still in that phase of learning to put a ponytail in her hair. And sometimes, you know, she creates knots, and I feel like this is a really good thing for her to have, like, in her school locker, and then if she needs it, she can throw her hair up and I don't have to worry about her getting knots in her hair. Next thing I have here is the blush. This here is, just says blush. It says limited, when life gives you lemons, put a blush on it. This is by Elizabeth Mott, and it is in soft pink. And then this is the blush, and I got the shade soft pink. Very, very soft pink. I don't know how well that's going to show up on my skin, but there it is right there. So we do have a Boxycharm palette, which I do believe I remember seeing in their sneak peeks. And the one that I have, it says Hello Charmer. I do believe there's a few different variations. Holy cow. I do a try on here on my channel, but I wait until I get all of my subscription boxes, and then I go in and do, like, a full tutorial. Holy cow, these are beautiful. First one here is Boxy. Then you got Charmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler. Then this one, it's like a copper, like a gold shade. This one here is Luxe. Then we move into this one called Unboxing, Sneak Peek. This is Sneak Peek. This is Premium. This here is a pressed glitter. I don't know if you can tell just how beautiful that is. That's called Swipe Up. Then this one here is Pop Up. I'm obsessed with this one. And then the last one's Cup of Joe. I'm stoked to do my try on because I'm, like, struggling with the fact that I'm going to have to use the Fenty one and this one. But I think combining them together is going to be bomb. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah. Boom Boom Cream. Boom Boom Cream. Is that how you say it? Boom Boom Cream. Heck yeah. I get the yellow one and I get this blue one as well. It's totally worth the box now. We're done. I mean, as if the box wasn't already, like, awesome because of the palette. These are definitely worth the box already. Oh my gosh, I just absolutely love these. So this one I've had numerous ones of. I've talked about them here on my channel. You guys have seen them in empties, hauls and stuff like that, and I'm definitely gonna take this with me to Vegas. But this is one I have not tried yet, and this is their Coco Cabana cream. I like the smell. The smell's not bad, but I think as far as, like, scents go, I prefer this one. But I'm not going to complain because it's Boom Boom Cream, and that stuff is not cheap. So this here is by PMD, and this is the Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I think this is, oh, okay. So does it sit on it, or what is this? Where? All right, so it comes with this little clear thing, which I think is the stand for it. All right, so there's the first one. Number 2 is a little bit louder. Number 3 pulsates, but it pulsates really slowly. And then number 4, like, really pulsates really quickly. And it is waterproof. For all you dirty little women out there, I know what you guys are thinking, but this is for your face. I have heard of PMD, and I know that their products are pretty pricey, so that's really cool to see. Next up we have is a eyeliner, or maybe a lip liner. Yeah, a gel. Well, it's a gel lip liner, and it's in the shade Chic. And then the last thing I have here is in this bag, and this is the, okay, Oh my gosh, it's so little. Oh, look at how tiny that is. Got a temperature, a max temperature of 370 degrees. The barrel is 1.8. So this is by Sutra Beauty, and I've got the pastel yellow one. So honestly, when it comes to like traveling and stuff, I don't always bring these with me. I always just bring like my flat iron, and then I bring like my curling iron as well. But I honestly don't know if I would use this because I don't find my flat iron or my, you know, this thing to be that inconvenient when I travel that I would need to have a small one. Do you get what I'm saying? I think that I'm going to pass this along because I think somebody else would really enjoy it and could get use out of it. Plus, I think if you have longer hair, it would be kind of hard to use this since the barrel's so short. You know, you want your hair to like all wrap nicely and neatly on the barrel. I don't know. You guys let me know what your thoughts are on that. All right, so that's everything in the box. And I got to say overall, like, I'm not mad about it. I definitely think it was worth the money just because I really am excited about that palette and also the Boom Boom creams. Like that for me is hands down like worth the money. These here I want to say retail for like $20, maybe $25 on Sephora's website. So I'm excited. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, what is this? Oh, NARS. I didn't see that. This is NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this is in Warm Leatherette. I did not see this at all. There you have it. Ooh, mine's kind of watery though. Oh, crud. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, maybe I need to shake it up. Yeah, no, mine's like leaking everywhere. Do you see that? That's really strange because I have these Power Matte pigments. I actually have quite a few of them. And they don't do that at all. Let me show you mine. So here's one of them that I have, and this is in Spin Me, and this is the one that I own. And I want to say that this formula is way different. Yeah, so there's mine. That one's mine, and you guys can see just how much more pigmented, and it's not as like watery. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like bleeding. This one here is bleeding all over in my fine lines. I don't know what's wrong with it. I might have to shake it a little bit more. I don't know why that's acting like that. That's really strange. Guys, so you guys let me know down below what you guys are supposed to be getting from your Boxycharm, what you've seen in sneak peeks that you guys are wanting to get. Hands down, I gotta say the box has to go down to the Fenty, the premium box. That was bomb. Surprised that they did not put anything Fenty in the Boxy Luxe. And I know that it was like surrounded by premium, but I think because you pay a little bit more to get that Boxy Luxe, I think that they should have added at least like one thing in there from the Fenty collection. So that was kind of something that I was surprised not to see. But the Boxy Luxe, I'm definitely not mad about it. Like, I'm excited about it. So I definitely do plan on getting it again. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.